In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your city with a horizon line that's a little bit lower on the page. So I'm going to start by measuring on the sides. I think I'll do my horizon line right in the middle, which is 6 inches here. So I'm going to make a mark on each side at 6 inches and connect those to form my horizon line. I will place my vanishing points on the horizon line here. And this time, instead of doing a building as my first step, I am going to start with the roads. So lining up my ruler here with the left vanishing point, I'm going to create the first line here for a road. I'm going to let that go off the page. And then I will create a second one. I'm leaving this narrower because this is going to be the sidewalk. A third line a little bit wider for the road. And a fourth line for a sidewalk on the other side. I will repeat those 4 steps on the right. Okay, so now that I have my sidewalks and my 2 roads, I'm going to start my first building right here at the corner where the 2 roads intersect. So we use the triangle because we're creating a vertical line here. Remember, you line up your triangle at the bottom of the page and then slide it left to right until it's where you want. So again, I'm matching that up right with the corner here, and I'm going to draw a front edge line. And this time I'm going to let it go above the horizon line here. Now from the top of that line, I will connect to my vanishing point here on the left and also on the right. And I'm drawing these lines short so that will save me from erasing so much later. I will then finish this building by adding 2 more vertical lines using the triangle. I'll add 1 to the right here and 1 to the left. And then I will simply erase the extras of the orthogonal lines, as well as the little bit of horizon line that was now blocked by this building. Now I'm going to show you how to add buildings right next to this one in 2 different ways. One building that is touching and the other building that will leave some space in between. So to make a second building here that's touching the first one, I'm going to move my triangle over here and create a new vertical line that comes up from the sidewalk, and I'm just going to make it go slightly above the horizon line here. Now, because this building is touching this one, I'm only going to see one side of it. I'm not going to see the left side of this building. So what I'm going to do with my ruler here, this will be the right side of this building, is line it up with the right vanishing point. And simply complete the building by drawing that line here. So this is an example of 2 buildings that are touching each other. Now on the left side, if you want to do a building that is close to this one but not touching, you will start that again by using your triangle and drawing a new front edge line. Now from the top of that new line, I will connect to both my left and my right vanishing points. And then the trick to this is at the bottom here where this touches the sidewalk, I need to also draw a line and line it up with my right vanishing point. This is going to create a separation between the 2 buildings here. And now I just need to take my triangle and finish off the left side of this building. And then I can go in, erase the extra orthogonal, and erase the horizon line. Okay, so I have 3 buildings here that are along this side of the street. Now, if I want to put a building on the other side of the street, the process is a little bit different. So I'm going to place a building right here on this side. What I need to do is start with my triangle here, and I need to start with a line that starts from the sidewalk and goes straight up. This building here is going to cover part of your road. Now, what I'm going to do with this line here is line my ruler up with the left vanishing point and make lines that go towards the right. Again, these are going over your road here. And then I will finish this up with another vertical line. Now, because of the placement of this building, I will not see the right or the left side of this building, only the part that is facing me. But I will see the roof because I am below the horizon line. Before I show you the roof, I'm going to erase some of these lines here. And then for the roof, I will need to use my right vanishing point here. So I'm going to line this ruler up with the top corner of the building and the right vanishing point, and then the top corner of the building here with my right vanishing point, and then back to the left vanishing point to complete the top of this roof. And then I can erase any lines that should not be showing through the building. So now you have a building that's on the other side of the road.